On pop again. All right, here he is. Now he's going to take off the valve. You want to help? Come on, help me out. We can get some Hot Wheels. We can play. All right, there's a. Oh, looks like this kind of screws in there. Hey, stop. The screwdriver came alive. All right. Look, Phillips head screwdriver. All right, turn. Oh, no. Okay. Take the screw out. The valve handle off. What in the world now? Yeah. You got it. Pop. Yeah. Ha. Now get the old back scratcher tool out. Don't shake the pipes like that. I'm not. Well, then who is? Oh, there's that leak. Here, let's scratch at that again. I'll aggravate that. Don't make a wire out of me. God. You can see where it was in the. Whoa. Nothing. How do you like my tile work?